teacher colleagues all over the world. My GTA, my pride.
Mr. Shrikant Hussain from India.
Hello, I am Sirkhat Hussain, head teacher of Dumuria Piknapara LP School, Bongaigaon, Assam. I am very happy to receive this most prestigious award for teacher, Global Teacher Award 2020. Thank you, AKS Education, for selecting me among the teachers of 110 countries of the world. Thank you, AKS. Jai Hind, Jai Aham. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Nidhi Kapoor from India.
I'm extremely grateful to GTA for the Global Teachers Award 2020. I've been very fortunate to have mentors who have
Mrs. Sophia Baby Paul from Oman. Miss Annalisa from Philippines.
I want to show my genuine gratitude to ACS Education Award for acknowledging and giving me this Global Teacher Award 2020. It is clearly a great honor for me to attain this special and prestigious award from you. I would also like to thank my family, friends, colleagues, and also my students who serve as my inspiration. My GTA, my pride.
Mrs. Sandhani Dinesh from India.
I thank AKS Education Award for honoring me with the most prestigious Global Teacher Award 2020. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Urvi Kaushal Patel from India.
Hello everyone. Let me take this opportunity to thank AKS Education Awards for nominating me for Global Teachers Award. I would also like to thank God, my family members, for always constantly being there to support me in my professional career. Even my school, my mentors who are always there with me to provide constant support and guidance throughout my journey. And of course, my GTA, my pride.
Miss Shimpi Taneja from India. Mr. Jose Maria Diaz from Spain.
Thank you very much to the organization for giving me this prize. It is a very honor for me. Thank you first to my family and my workmates at the school. This is my Global Teacher Award. This is my pride.
Miss Swati Gajendra Kumar Singh from India.
Namaste, this is Swati Singh. Thank you AKS Awards for giving Global Teacher Awards 2020. I believe award is equal to appreciation is equal to encouragement. My GTA, my pride.
Mr. Prachari Hari Krishna from India.
I am so thankful to AKS for giving this great opportunity to receive this global award. I am so thankful to God and my family. GTA is my pride. GTA is my pride. So becoming a global teacher is my pride. Thanks to
Dr. Pavni Bareka from India.
I am very much thankful to AKS Worldwide Private Limited organizers for honoring me with the Global Teacher Award 2020. I am truly grateful to be part of service to the community through my teachings and counselings, especially to the children who are the future of our world. I dedicate this award to my family for supporting me in the quest to make the world a better place with one kind action at a time. This is Dr. Pavani Bareka from Hyderabad.
Dr. Barbara de Emrich from Spain.
Thank you very much for the organization to give me this prize. It's an honor for me. Thank you to my family. Thank you for all my pupils in Expediencia at the University of Burgos. Thank you everybody. This is my Global Teacher Award. This is my pride.
Miss Shalini Chauhan from India.
Hello everyone. I am grateful to AKS Education Awards for presenting me with Global Teacher Award 2020. I would like to thank the Almighty, my parents, my mom-in-law, my husband and my mentors to enable me to bring ideas into reality. My GTA, my pride. Thank you.
Dr. Neha Kishore Narkari from India.
First of all, I would like to thank God and the AKS Education Organization for giving me this Global Teachers Award 2020. I'm really very happy to receive this award. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Salinder Kaur from India. Miss Aitan Azimova from Azerbaijan.
I'm so thankful to my friends, my family and my colleagues for their support to me in this way, and special thanks to AKS Awards for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Kavita Wagh from India.
I thank AKS Education Awards for GTA 2020. Thank you so much.
Miss Madhuri Rajguru Sanjeev from India.
Today, on this special day, I want to thank God, I want to thank my parents, I want to thank my family, my friends, who have been the motivating force in my journey of education. A big thanks to AKS, my pride.
Mr. Joginder Kumar from India.
Thanks AKS for giving Global Teacher Award 2020. Thanks to God and special thanks to my wife and 2 little kids. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Tracy Ann Hall from Jamaica.
Hi, I'm Tracy Ann Hall from Jamaica. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the AKS Education Awards for bestowing upon me this award, Global Teacher Award 2020. I'd like to thank my family and friends for their continued love and support. Also, I'd like to thank my colleagues and students at work. Thanks again for this golden opportunity.
Miss Abha Tiwari from India. Miss Chetna Agarwal from India.
I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal ma'am, my family, friends for believing in me and supporting me always. I would like to thank AKS for giving this prestigious award to me. My GTA, my pride. Thank you.
Mr. Vishnukant Shai from India. Well, congratulations to all the winners. Give them a huge round of applause.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next set of awardees are Dr. Abir Hamid from Palestine, Mr. N. Srirangacharyalu from India, Miss Anita Dogra from India.
I express my deep gratitude to God Almighty for this blissful moment, the AKS Education Awards for conferring upon me the Global Teachers Award 2020, my principal Dr. Mrs. Ritu Devan, and the entire DMA fraternity, my family and my friends who have always been a source of great inspiration to me. My GTA, my pride. Thank you.
Dr. Sobha Rani Tunga from India, Mr. Muhammad Fazli bin Ishaq from Malaysia.
Hello everyone, I'm Fazli from Malaysia. I would like to take this opportunity to thank AKS Education Awards for giving Global Teacher Award 2020 to me. Special thanks to my family, Ministry of Education Malaysia, Johor State Education Department, my school leaders and also my colleague for supporting me. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Poonam Atrish from India.
Hello everyone, I am Poonam Atrish. This is a great honor and a privilege to receive Global Teacher Award 2020 presented by AKS Education. I am grateful to Global Teacher Award and AKS Education for selecting me as an awardee for one of the most prestigious awards.
Mr. Yogesh Raghunath Sonavane from India.
Yes, my Global Teacher Award, my pride. Thank you.
Dr. G. Saravanan from India. Ms. Shiroma Viratunge from Sri Lanka.
I would like to thank AKS Education Award for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020 for me. And also I would like to thank my family, my school, Ministry of Education Sri Lanka. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Josana Sasi from UAE. Mrs. Sujata Prakash from UAE.
Sincere thanks to AKS Education Awards for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020. Thanks to the Almighty, all my family members, the school fraternity, from especially my principal. Thank you all. My GTA, my pride.
Mr. Sunil Mali from India. Mr. Ramon Benjamin Yanes from El Salvador.
Thank you. EKS, my Teacher Award 2020, my GTA, my prize.
Miss Geeta Rangasamy from UAE.
My sincere thanks to AKS Education Awards for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020. Thanks to the Almighty, all my family members, and my school fraternity board, especially my principal. Thanks to all, my GTA, my pride.
Miss Tini Binu from India. Miss Geeta Mishra from India.
Thank you so much GTA Award. My GTA, my pride.
Mr. Isaac Muserere from South Africa.
I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for honoring me with the Global Teachers Award 2020. I would also want to thank my wife, parents and family for their sterling support in what I do. Many thanks to the Lord Almighty who made it possible. Lastly, I would like to thank the Settlers High School family for the opportunity to shine. Thank you.
Miss Himanshi Kumar from India.
I would like to say thank you to AKS Education Awards for giving me such a huge honor. This award is dedicated to my parents who have supported me in every effort that is made. My GTA, my pride. Thank you everyone.
Mr. Uttam Namdev Mohite from India.
Hi, I am Uttam Mohite from India. Thanks AKS for giving me a Global Teacher Award 2020. I hope this award giving me a lot of encouragement to do more challenging job. My Global Teacher Award, my pride.
Dr. Bhadrappa Haralaya from India.
Thanking AKS Education Award for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020 to me, and I also thanks my family, my colleagues and all the people who have supported me in the everywhere. And lastly I can say my GTA, my pride.
Miss Yudum Uzgan from Turkey.
We have to work harder to have a growth mindset. We have witnessed altogether how education and students' needs transformed, and all teachers had to adapt these changes. Hereby, I appreciate all innovative teachers and their efforts. We need you more than before. Last of all, I would like to thank my parents, my daughter Azra, and the colleagues we work together for all their support. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Dr. Swati Bijawat from India. Ms. Bhavna Nawani from India. Dr. Ramchandra Suthar from India.
This is Ramchandra Suthar, Department of Biotechnology. My college name is Pramukh Swami Science College and it is managed by Kadisar Vidyalaya, Kelavadi Mandal. I am very thankful to my family and all my colleagues. My GTA, my pride, Global Teacher Award 2020.
Mr. Semi Esendemir from Turkey.
I would like to thank AKS Education Award for giving Global Teacher Awards 2020 to me. It is the most important skills of my professional career. My GTA, my pride.
Ms. Geeta Agarwal from India. Dr. Sudeep Solanki from India. Ms. Prerna Pawar from India.
I hope you all are fine in this pandemic situation. Please take care of yourself and your family. And I'm really thankful to AKS Award who encouraged us by giving such prestigious award of Global Teacher 2020. And I'm really thankful to my
Miss Kulacha Gonjajit from Thailand.
Thank you for ASK Education Award for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020. Thank you, Teacher Pramod, for selecting me to join this event. Thank you, my friend and my degree too. My GTA, my pride.
Mr. Jagdish Prasad from India. Dr. Piali Basak from India. Mr. Muhammad Arif Sheikh from India.
Thank you AKS Education Award for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020. I thanks to the Mighty Allah, my school management, my school principal, my school staff and all my dear students. Thank you so much.
Miss Nagam Ali from Syria.
My success for you, Syria, my lovely country, for you, our President Bashar al-Assad, for my family, my great husband, my great daughters, Ghazal, Leah, Ali, my family, my first teacher and my mother, Wissam.
Dr. Mustabshira Siddiqui from India.
Hi GTA Awards. Thank you so much. Thank you for choosing me to be part of this event. I am so thankful, first of all, to the Almighty.
Ms. Bhupinder Kaur from India.
A very big thanks to the AKS Education Awards for selecting me for the Global Teachers Award 2020. A big thanks to my principal, my family for always being so encouraging. My GTA, my pride, thank you.
Miss Maheshwari Mahesh Chogale from India. Miss Mariam Yunus from Bangladesh.
Thank you AKS Education Awards for honoring me with this Global Teachers Award 2020. I'd like to thank everyone for their support and encouragement. My GTA, my pride.
Mr. Chandrasekharan from India.
I wish to place on record my sincere and heartfelt thanks to the prestigious AKS Education Award 2020, which has been very kind enough to honor me on this glorious occasion, the Global Teacher Award.
Dr. Sudhir Singh Gaur from India. Professor G.K. Viju from India.
Thanks AKS Education Award for giving me this Global Teacher Award 2020. Thanks Almighty God and my family members. My GTA, my pride.
Well, congratulations to all the winners. Now moving on to our next set of awardees. Miss Tipsuda Sarana from Thailand.
I am so happy. Thank you, AKS India, for selecting me. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Rekha Jaiswal from India. Miss Shivani Verma from India.
I would like to thank my family, specifically my husband and child, for making me what I am today. Thank you, my GTA, my pride.
Dr. Sarita Bisnoi from India.
Thank you AKS for giving me this prestigious Global Teachers Award 2020. Thank you, my family, my friends and colleagues for supporting me and encouraging me. My GTA, my pride.
Miss SM Taimina from Bangladesh. Dr. Hemawati Raghulan from India. Dr. T. Pandya Raj from India. Miss Selda Kul from Turkey.
I want to thank AKS Education Award for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020 to me. I want to thank my family, my son and my students, my GTA, my pride.
Dr. Jagdishwarai Alwala from India. Miss Kadarla Suryanarayan from India.
Thanks to AKS Educational Society for giving this Global Teacher Award to me. Thanks to God. Thanks to my family members to giving support. My GTA, my pride.
Dr. Sujit Saurav from India. Dr. Malpi Sureka Bhatt from Arupa.
Heartfelt gratitude to AKS Education Awards. Almighty God, my parents late Shri M.A.V. Bhatt and Srimati Vijayalakshmi Bhatt, my brothers and their families, my parents' extended families, my friends, my Shivyo Gurus Babaji and Chote Babaji, my current employers Osoma Aruba, thank you all, my GTA, my pride.
Dr. Binita Supriya from India. Miss Kanupriya Sharma from India.
Thank to AKS Education Awards for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020. And I thank to God, my family, my GTA, my pride.
Dr. Anju Arya from India.
I'm Dr. Anju Arya and thankful to AKS for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020. I'm thankful to God, my family members and my dear friends. I extend my thanks to my institution, Shri L.R. Tiwari College of Education. My GTA, my pride. Thank you.
Miss Brownwing Joyce from Australia.
I'd like to thank the AKS Education Awards for giving me the Global Teacher Award in 2020. I would also like to thank my family and my GTA, my pride.
Miss Jyotirmay Raut from India. Miss Bhagwati Chauhan from India.
Yes, we are enjoying.
Miss Ainura from Azerbaijan.
Thank AKS Education Awards for Global Teacher Award to me. I want thanks to my God and my family. I love my profession and my students. And at the end, I want to say that my GTA, my pride. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.
Miss Nida Javed Bag from India.
Teachers encourage, minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. With that said, I'm glad to be recognized by AKS Education Awards, honoring me for Global Teacher Award 2020. Thank you, Academy, my family, and all those lovely children out there for believing in me. Thank you so much. Love you all.
Dr. Beena Ben Manish Kumar Parekh from India. Dr. Sundarmil Amsamani from India.
Placing my humble pranams at the lotus feet of the Almighty, I thank Guru Maharaj Ji and Anne Sharda Mani Devi for their blessings for me to have this academic achievement. At the very outset, I like to thank our founder, Amna Shriram Chettiar Ayya Avargal, our Amma Avargal P. Rajamal Devadas for their guidance.
Dr. Sudha Matigati from India. S. Archana Malimalati from India.
I'd like to thank God Almighty, my institution, family members and my dear friends. My Global Teacher Award is my pride. Thank you.
Miss Ritu Kapoor from India.
I would like to thank AKS for selecting me for GTA Awards 2020. Obviously God, my dad, because of whom I'm here, my students, my teachers, my friends and my husband who has always helped in all the endeavors of mine. My GTA, my pride. Thank you.
Miss Rosa Amelia from Mexico. Dr. Kavita Katana from India. Dr. Pyare Lal from India. Miss Bharti Yadav from India.
I would definitely take this opportunity to thank Almighty, my family without whom it would not have been possible, to my organization who has given me immense opportunities to show my creativity, and at last
UX Awards, my GTA, my pride. Thank you.
Miss Mabroka from Libya. Miss Renu Arora from India.
Firstly, I would like to thank God for making me capable enough to receive this award. Secondly, my family who supported me in each and every step. My colleagues, my seniors from whom I have learned the most. Last but most importantly, the AKS Education Award for providing such a nice platform to showcase our talents. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Priti Manish Sutta from India.
I sincerely want to thank AKS Education Awards for bestowing me with the Global Teacher Award 2020. I'd also like to thank my family, my children, my students, as well as my colleagues who are always by my side, supporting me in all my endeavors and always encouraging me to do my best.
Mr. Love Trivedi from India.
Hi everyone, I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for giving me Global Teachers Award 2020. Thank you for recognizing my work and motivating teachers like me. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Bushra Anis Naqvi from Pakistan.
Thank you Allah Almighty. Thank you AKS Education Award for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Uma Sharma from India.
I'm thankful to UX Education Award for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020. I'm also very thankful to my principal ma'am and my Cambridge in charge for motivating me always.
Miss Shipra from India. Mr. Priyank Kotia from India.
Thanks all of you, especially my father, my mother, my wife, my family, and my early students and my friends. Thank you so much. Thank you, God.
Well, congratulations to all the winners. Give them a huge round of applause.
All right, moving on to the next set of awardees. Here they are, Miss Cornelia Mihela Frey from Romania.
Thank you very much, AKS Education Awards, for giving me this great honor of offering the Global Teacher Awards 2020 to me. My GTA, my pride.
Mrs. Mehjabeen Irfan Khan from India. Mr. Manohar Lakshman Bhosle from India.
Thank you. My GTA, my pride.
Dr. Gursharan Singh Gill from India.
I am thankful to GTA for selecting me for the Global Teacher Award, and I am very thankful to God, my family, my mentors, Dr. Dharmendra Singh Ubba and Dr. Nishan Singh Deol. Thanks.
Miss Natalia Kiseleva from Russia. Dr. M. Sugirtha from India.
I would like to thank the authorities of AKS Education Awards for conferring me this Global Teacher Award. My Global Teacher Award, my pride.
Dr. Anjali Samuel from India. Miss Swati Kishore Ahire from India.
Thanks, it's a nice experience. It's great. Okay, thank you. Thanks.
Miss Noure Iranturedi from Turkey.
I love to thank AKS Education Award for giving me with 2020 Global Teacher Award.
Miss Shampa Datta from India. Dr. Ashish Kumari Kanta from India. Dr. Kotalla Padma from India. Miss Albina Bazarbeva from Uzbekistan.
Hello everyone. My name is Albina Bazarbaeva. I am from Uzbekistan. I am working at the Uzbekistan State University World Languages is an associate professor, philosophy doctor. I am grateful to everyone who has always been a part of my journey, from my family to friends, from the rector of my university to my colleagues.
Mr. Suresh Babu from India. Dr. Anup Kumar Chaturvedi from India. Ms. Parag Tyagi from India.
I would like to thank GTA, my students, my mom and my family, especially my husband. Without him, this wouldn't be possible. My GTA, my pride. Thank you.
Ms. Lyudmila Teleshkevich from Ukraine.
Thanks a lot, AKS Education Awards, for giving Global Teacher Award 2020 to me. It's a great honor to be in a team of fantastic.
Miss D. Bala Joy from India. Miss Radhika Rele from Qatar.
Thank you, AKS Education Awards, for having honored me. It's definitely a pride. I take this opportunity to thank my family for their support.
Dr. Kranti Kumar Singamma Naini from India.
We are very happy to be here and thank you very much for this AKS Education Award. And that award is a very good pride to us, and it gives a more reputation in outside world. And we become very interesting things here. And thank you very much once again, and thanks to my family, thanks to me, and thanks to God for their country.
Mr. Suleiman Faye from Senegal.
Thanks to God, thanks to my family, my friend, all colleagues and nominees. I thank AKS Education Award for giving me Teacher Global Award 2020, my GTA, my pride.
Miss Payal Bharti from India.
Thanks to AKS International Award for organizing this wonderful event. Thank you.
Dr. Suresh Kumar Eknath from India. Dr. George Herkip from India.
Hi guys, it's really unexpected to have been nominated me for the Global Teacher Awards 2020. I sincerely thank the AKS worldwide for giving me this very much prestigious and so much special awards. I don't know people who have nominated me for this award, but there are certainly people out there who have recognized my work and people who have supported me for this award. So I sincerely thank those people at the bottom of my heart, and I would also like to take this opportunity to thank people who stand with me and supported me, like my family members and those well-wishers around the globe. Thank you very much. My GTA, my pride. Thank you.
Miss Hazel Manalo from Philippines.
Thank you so much, AKS Education Awards, for this recognition. Glory to God in the highest. Special thanks to my family, my Dagata National High School family, friends, and fellow educators in the Philippines. God bless us all. My GTA, my pride.
Dr. Chetan Srivastava from India.
I thank the Almighty, my parents Shamkaran Srivastava and Premlata Saxena ji, all my teachers, my elders, my well-wishers, my friends, my students, my supporters, all of them who have stood by me throughout for what I am today. I thank one and all my family members, everyone to go in. Thanks a lot for all your best wishes and blessings, which encouragement, motivation, mentoring, which made me to on this day to receive such a prestigious award. Thank you. My GTA, my pride. Thank you a lot.
Miss Priyanka Singh from India. Dr. Ranjit Singh from India. Dr. Justani Sarpio from Philippines.
Good day, fellow educators. It is indeed an honor and pleasure to receive the Global Teacher Award 2020. With this, a gazillion thanks to the following: to God, to AKS Education Awards, to my family, friends, colleagues, fellow educators, and learners. My GTA, my pride.
Dr. Satyendra Singh from India.
Myself, Dr. Satyendra Singh, belongs to Balrampur district, UP, India. I am thanking to whole AKS Education Group for giving me such an excellent Global Teachers Award 2020. It's a matter of pride for me. My GTA, my pride. Thank you.
Dr. Namrata Gyonkar from India.
Thanks a lot, AKS, for this award. I would really thank my family and obviously my students who have helped me through this journey. Thanks a lot, AKS, for nominating me for Global Teacher Award. Thank you.
Mr. Devendra Singh from India. Miss Alexandra Stankovic from Serbia.
I wish to thank SAICS Education Awards for giving Global Teacher Award 2020. I dedicate this award to all music teachers in Serbia for the fight to make music one of the most important segments of education. My Global Teacher Award, my pride.
Miss Archana Prasad from India.
I thank GTA for this award. It means a lot to me. I take this opportunity to thank my family member for their continuous support. Also, I like to thank my students for their enthusiasm to learn more. Teaching is my passion, and this award has given a wing to my passion. My GTA, my pride. Thank you.
Miss Kalyani S from India.
At this wonderful moment, I would like to thank my God Almighty. My special thanks to AKS Educational Awards for this recognition. I also thank all my well-wishers for being the backbone of this success. My GTA, my pride. Thank you.
Mr. Gopal Prasad from India.
Thanking AKS Education Award for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020, and thanks to my family, my respected teachers and my dearest friends. My GTA, my pride.
Mr. Ravindra Shivkumar Swami from India. Dr. Vijay Shankar Vikram from India. Miss Sunita Parulekar from India. Miss Varsha Ambasta from India.
Alright, moving on to our next set of awardees. Miss Shreya Kadam from India. Leena Kadam from India. Dr. C.H. Asha from India. Kapil Arora from India. Miss Bhavna Vijay Kumar Sonkamle for Qatar. Mrs. Parinita Devi from India.
Hello everyone.
My heartfelt thanks to AKS Education Award for giving me this Global Teacher Award 2020. Special thanks to my Almighty God who brought such an opportunity for me along with my supportive family. It is really an encouraging moment for me to work with more dedication towards the future of our world. Thanks a lot. My GTA, my pride.
Dr. R. Kurupa Semi from India.
Really thank AKS Global Teachers Award 2020. A special thanks to Director of AKS and my principal, my wife, my child, my GDA and pride.
Mr. Gautam Ashirwad Kumar from India.
Use this opportunity to thank the Air for helping me to achieve this award. Next, I want to thank my parents who makes me to achieve this award. Next, I want to a special thanks to my wife who constantly supporting me to achieve this award. Next, I want to thank my staff members, Dr. HOD sir, Dr. Praveen Kumar and Magdalene Madam who constantly helped me to achieve this award.
Mrs. Mupala Kavita from India. Mr. Ankush Sharma from India.
Dear friends, I am highly obliged and thankful to God, my family and above all AKS Education Awards for awarding me this prestigious award. Thank you AKS.
Mr. Sanju P. Cherian from India. Mr. Tami Jaisalwan from India.
Thanks to AKS Awards for giving me Global Teachers Award 2020. I thank the Almighty and my family members for giving me support throughout my life.
Dr. Bipin Ganpatlal Pardesi from India. Miss Jasmeet Kaur Rekhi from India.
I would like to thank Alert Knowledge Services for giving me the Global Teacher Award. My special thanks to the Almighty for always being there. My thanks to our chairman, Mr. Bedi Bodhanwala, and our managing trustee, Mrs. Rubina Bodhanwala.
Dr. Sivali Gam from India.
First and foremost, thanks to the AKS Educational Institutional for selecting me a meritorious the Global Teachers Award 2020. Thanks one and all. So myself, Dr. Sivalingam Ilayabalan from South India in Tamil Nadu. So past 10 years I'm working in the teaching field. So I thanks once again to the AKS Educational Awards for selected me for this prestigious award in my life. Also I acknowledge this award to my parents and my teachers and my professors who are guided me into the teaching field. And also finally I thank to the God to given the prestigious award for me. So thanks once again for the AKS Educational Institution for meritorious the award. So thank you.
Mrs. Kavita Devi from India.
To the AKS for honoring me this Global Teacher Award. And I want to thank God, my principal and my family members who support me at every step in my life. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Geeta Kapoor from India. Miss Suchismita Krishnakant Pathak from India.
My warm greetings to all. I thank AKS Education Award for inspiring us. I thank to my family, my principal and my students who always motivate me. Thanks to AKS again. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Shushma from India.
So much AKS Educational Award for recognizing me with Global Teacher Award 2020. It's a great honor for me. It is a promise to myself and to Education Department that I will distribute myself more towards the success of the nation. I want to give gratitude to God for blessing me. Also, I want to thank my family for providing me every so that I can give my best. My Global Teacher Award, my pride. Thank you.
Mr. Pradeep Shashidharan Kumar from India.
I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for giving me the GTA Global Awards 2020. I would like to thank God, my family, and my father. I would like to dedicate this award. He's no more with me, but yes, I would like to dedicate the award to him. Also, I would be really thankful to all my students and mentors with the help of whom actually I have received this award. My GTA, my pride.
Michelle V. Sharma from Brain. Miss Paul Gulati from India.
AKS Education Awards for giving me Global Teacher Awards 2020. I thanks to God, my family and my colleagues for supporting me always. My GTA, my pride.
Dr. Abdul Halim from India.
I am Abdul Halim. I would like to share thanks to AKS Education Award for giving me Global Teacher Award 2020. All praise to God, my GTA, my pride.
Miss Shivani from India. Dr. V.S. Dikshit from India.
Hello friends, myself V.S. Dikshit. I have been teaching in University College Department of Computer Science, Delhi University. Since more than 20 years, I teach computer science and my research area is artificial intelligence, web recommender systems, and I thank GTA for considering me.
Miss Sunita Baweja from India.
First of all, I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for giving Global Teacher Award 2020. Thanks to my school, to the principal, thanks to all, my GTA, my pride.
Mr. Kuldeep from India.
Hello everyone, myself Kuldeep Gola from Saint Capitania School, Silchar. I would like to thank AKS Education Awards for choosing me for this award, and I would like to thank God for making me eligible for this particular award. I would like to extend my thanks to my family members and my close relatives who has always been an inspiration for making me eligible to be a good teacher. And last but not the least, I would like to say that my GTA, my pride.
Mr. Lavkaria from India.
Thank AKS Education Awards for giving me Global Teacher Awards 2020. I also want to thank my family, my students for being a constant motivation. My GTA, my pride.
Dr. Binod from India. Mr. Rajesh Pillai from India. Mr. Padla Suresh Kumar from India.
I'm very grateful to and thanks to God for giving this valuable opportunity, and thanks to AKS Awards, and thanks to GTA Global Teacher Awards. I'm very thankful to my family also to support to get this award, to establish the Google Lab, Atal Tinkering Lab and Robotic Lab in a government school. So opportunity, the children are living in.
Dr. Swarupa R from India. Dr. Manish Kumar from India.
Thanks to Global Teacher Academy teams and organizers for this great opportunity and awards. I am very thankful again to Global Teacher Award organizers and team. Thank you very much.
Mr. Ranganatha Ji from India. Dr. Kamlesh Kumar R. Shah from India. Mr. Naveen Varshney from India.
Us for honoring me with this prestigious Global Teacher Award 2020.
These recognitions really inspire and encourage us to do our best. My GTA, my pride.
Dr. Inderjeet Nivas Rao Yadav from India. Dr. Adamili from India.
Hi viewers, I thank the Almighty, my family members, our college management, Government of India.
Dr. S.N. Murthy Bodapati from India.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next set of awardees are Mr. Keba Joseph Xavier from UAE.
I feel it's a day to cherish and give gratitude to my parents, teachers, professors and mentors. Without them, this honor would not be possible. Foremost, I thank the Almighty for His provisions and blessings destined to each one of us here. Opportunity comes, but to refine ourselves to be better educators. I take this opportunity to thank our principal, Mr. Aurika Reddy, the Ambassador's Club Sarja, for all the learning prospects provided. Yet, indeed, being privileged to what I am today, teachers are the one who mold and create the future of their minds. The voice and choice of a child is more predominant to the teaching learning process. We being in this unprecedented time of pandemic, grateful to the technology which made us to meet us virtually today. I thank the AKS Education Awards for giving the Global Teacher Award for the year 2020 for the encouragement and honoring teachers for the dedication and hard work. Well, there's a saying, teachers are like a candle. Let's be lighted, be lighted. My GTA and my pride.
Mr. Kaushik Sarkar from India.
First of all, lot of loss for my lovely students, and many thanks to AKS for honoring me, and also thanks to my all family members and friends. Thank you. My GTA, my pride.
Dr. Gogikar Prakash from India. Mrs. Jyoti Manoj Patil from India.
Hello everyone. It is hard to put this feeling into words. Nevertheless, I am very glad to deliver my speech on such important and momentous occasion in my life. It is a huge honor for me to receive this Global Teachers Award. For me, the supporters from my parents, my big supporter, my husband. It is very auspicious and priceless gift.
Dr. Meenakshi Narula from India.
Hello everyone, myself Meenakshi Narula, and I'm extremely delighted today in receiving this coveted Global Teachers Award 2020 by AKS Awards. Today is such an important and momentous occasion for me. I'm extremely thankful to my family members, to my mentors in supporting me and guiding me. My GTA, my pride.
Miss Nafiz Bhambi from India.
I would like to thank AKS Education Award for awarding me with Global Teacher Award 2020. I would like to extend my warm reverence and gratitude to my family, my friends and my mentors who have supported me throughout my journey. This is my GTA, my pride.
Miss Shivani Bahuguna from India.
I express my sincere thanks to AKS Education Awards for giving me the honor of Global Teacher Award 2020. I'm also thankful to the Almighty who has always been there for me for my success. I also acknowledge my school authorities, my parents, all my family members, my dear friends, my colleagues who have always been guiding me and motivating me for getting success in life. My GTA, my pride.
Dr. Anita Kalimutu from India. Mr. Sunil Vishwanathan from India. Miss Ragini Singh from India.
Thank you very much for selecting me by AKS Education for Global Teacher Award 2020. Indeed, this is the most significant event in my career and my professional life. Thanks God and my family.
Miss Ulme Kulsum from India.
Hi, I'm so elated. I'm on cloud 9 and present to receive the prestigious Global Teachers Award tonight. First and foremost, I'd like to thank God the Almighty who has showered me with His choicest blessings, and today I am here receiving this prestigious award. Second, I would like to thank my family, my
Dr. Rajkumari from India. Mr. K. Richard Ferdinand from India. Mr. Bhavi Ahuja from India. Dr. M. Jaya Kumari from India. Miss Neeta Rani from India.
It is already late. Okay. This is the last presentation. So I'll request her to limit it to 10 minutes only. And then we will come to results of best presentation immediately once she is done.
Am I audible, sir?
You are. Ma'am, 10 minutes maximum.
Okay.
If it is less than 10 minutes also, okay for us.
A small introduction video about me.
I am Ms. Bala Jalderi, primary teacher, Kendriya Vidyalaya Meenambakam, joined in Sangadan in the year 1995. A child's life is like a piece of paper on which every person leaves a mark. I believe that school should be engaging and inspiring. More than the transmission of information and knowledge, great teaching should spark a love and joy of learning and develop skills for success in school life. So my strategies are teaching all the subjects through dramatization and through songs. Songs are easily obtainable. Dramatization, including songs, inspire children of all ages and transform the art of teaching.
I am the principal of Vidyalaya. This is Chitra Bhutan. I found Mrs. Bala Jalderi to be a very innovative teacher, a passionate teacher. Whenever she is in class, she gives her 100%. The best TLMs, teaching learning material. She plans for every class. All the classes are activity based, and she incorporates moral teaching into whatever she teaches, be it maths, EVS or English. An extraordinary teacher who deserves the national award.
Mrs. Bala Jalderi is an innovative teacher. Her ways of teaching make students on task and motivate them to do their best. Her classroom decoration is very attractive and creates interest in learning. The way she uses TLM is appreciated. She teaches every lesson through songs and skits which enable everyone to take part, including differently abled children. Her assembly programs with moral values are commendable. Through her attractive voice, she tunes her children to be disciplined. Her way of giving cultural programs on annual day is appreciated not only by parents but by all higher authorities. She strives her best during cluster competitions, which makes everyone cooperative, including students. Her different methods of teaching enable the students to understand the concepts easily.
Our class is very grateful to get a teacher like Bala ma'am, who has made us understand each and every lesson so nicely.
Bala?
Yes, sir.
Bala, your video is not less than a presentation. Great work.
Okay, sir. I have been selected for National Rashtrapati Award up to state level. I was one of the best 5 out of from the KV all over India, and luckily I couldn't get this year and hope I will be getting next year. And today my presentation is the effect of using TLM, teaching learning materials in primary classes. These are my achievements. Kendriya Vidyalaya has awarded 6 awards for me, and private concern they have given 2 awards. Now I have got Global Teacher Award. So totally 9 awards I have got for my innovative teaching. And last 2016 I got the National KVS National Award from our Honorable Hajjadi Minister Shri Prakash Javadekar. And this is my TLM resource room which I am maintaining in my school. I'm going to tell what is TLM. TLM is the learning material provided by the teacher to be used in the class for effective learning. And why do we need the TLM? TLM is a spectrum for educational materials that teachers use in the classroom to support specific learning objectives. And what are the TLM materials? I'm going little bit fast. Manipulatives. Through manipulatives, children can use all the mathematical concepts, and building blocks are one of the main TLM. Children will be coming with open-ended concepts and interactive worksheets. Especially during this pandemic period, we are using a lot of interactive worksheets, and so many educational videos are available. And the traditional games, Pallanguli, like in Tamil Nadu we used to play, such games we are introducing to teach so many concepts in math. Flashcards of sight words and many concepts. Yeah, these are all the TLMs. Model clay. So we are asking the children to do the alphabet, numbers, vegetables, fruits, instruments, and instead of the clay, ready-made clay, we are make the children to bring the art of floor, and so many that food colors are available. Through that, children are using that vegetable, fruits, everything. And finger puppets, string puppets, these are the thing. And the story books, especially the magic part for Tinkle for primary level, is one of the best TLM materials. And the paper clippings as a teaching learning material we are using in primary classes. Visual aids. So whatever we are displaying in the class, it is called the visual aid TLM materials, especially sight words. In every year, I will be making the sight words in a different way. These are the classroom decoration. These are the sight words prepared by me, and all these classroom decoration videos I have uploaded in Google, YouTube. And sample of students writing. The previous year children, whoever has presented the best writing sample, that also can be used as a teaching TLM material for the children. And overhead projector. In the beginning, I had 25 years of experience in this. And the beginning when I joined, we were using only the overhead projector. Now, after getting lot of technology, almost this overhead projector is we are not using, but we are using in our resource room. And whatever children are drawing and whatever they are writing can be displayed through this overhead projector. And this is the overhead projector, and nowadays the usage of it is reduced, and this also can be used as. And textbook, the KVS textbook itself, one of the best TLM, a lot of pictures and stories are available, but all the time they are seeing the textbook. So as a teacher, we have to make some innovative TLM material so that children will be coming forward to participate in all the activities. Nowadays, the sophisticated TLM material is only in mobile. All the things children started recording and sending to the children, especially during this pandemic period. Whatever homework we are giving, recitation, storytelling, whatever it may be, they are sending through WhatsApp by recording. So in that way, we are able to correct the pronunciation mistakes, whatever it may be. And now the kind of educational toys, especially at present, the children are using so many innovative activities in their home itself by using their toys as the TLM materials. And there are so many unstructured play material we can use, like sand, water, sticks, leaves, rope, shells. These are the things at present children are using the activity in their home, and they are sending the activity through WhatsApp. And these are the Montessori materials. These are also one of the TLM material. And learning resources like and mass manufactured toys, plastic, metal toys, everything, indigenous toys. And it is depending upon the places, especially Tanjavur, the doll will be available. When we went to Andaman, we bought the Andaman Nicobar toys, everything. These are all the TLM materials. Traditional games, board games, marbles, everything. And puppets, hand puppets, shadow puppets, string puppets. And there are so many materials available for the children, special need of children to increase their motor coordination. So why it is more necessary, this TLM material? It increases the interest level, motivates the child to learn, hands-on experience for the child, and promotes minimum level of learning, reduces the learning load, and retention power increases, enhances the ability to reproduce. Once again, they will recall, and encourages contact between students and teachers, and it develops reciprocity and cooperation among the students, and encourages active learning, gives prompt feedback, respect diverse talents and ways of learning, emphasize time on task, and communicate high expectations. What is the teacher role in preparing this TLM material? Self-interest, self-motivation, goal-oriented, positive approach, open-mindedness to accept, follow the new ventures. Now we started, suddenly we have been adapted to use the online teaching. The same way, We should accept the new thing and not viewing the usage of TLM as a burden. And an innovative teacher has lot of innovative ideas for TLM. And there are so many principles of making the TLM. I am going little fast according to the age, maturity and intellectual level, motives and social environmental and the interest and motivation. Whenever we prepare the TLM, that should attract the children. You should be attention catching and motivating the learning. Then only they will be fully focused, fully concentration. Their full concentration will be only on the teaching learning material. And you should bring some educational value. Just for namesake, we should not prepare the teaching learning material. And realization of the objective. What TLO we have framed, according to that, the TLM also should be prepared. And some of the pictures I'm going to show now, and the principle and the TLM material should be very, very simple. It should not be a complicated one. And relevancy and suitability to the topic. Just for the namesake, we should not prepare any teaching learning material. Principles of accuracy. See, these are the TLM I have prepared. It will be always hanging in my class. When we once again arrange that, for example, noun should not be put in pronoun should not be put in homophone. It should be everything accurate. We should keep it in correct manner, so that when second time when children are using, they won't be confused. And these are my classes decoration with the TLM material. And mainly we teachers should go for low cost material, so that children can realize that when they use the disposable bottle caps, dice and glass and plates and beads, they will connect that these are the things was used by my teacher. So better to go with the low cost material, and that should be made in an attractive way. And these some of the TLM materials which I had prepared in my class I am going to show now. This is a 3 little pics. These materials are made of disposable plates and tumblers, and just we have painted it. And the bubble straw and the shoe, and we are making the thing only out of waste material. And so when we prepare such kind of material, children are coming forward to participate. This is a finger puppet. Children are comparing each other that what bird you have made, what color, what is the name of the bird, everything. So it takes the peer teaching also. And the Mittu and the yellow mango, it's one of the lesson. Whenever we make the TLM for mango means it should be in orangey color. So children learn the concept of the mango shape they are learning, and color concept also they are learning, and they are what is the points have been written in each everyone's flashcard. They are seeing that. In a way, the peer teaching also taking place. Our tree. So we are making whatever according to the topic, the cutouts we are making. All the values of the uses of the trees have been written. Now this is the first standard children. So according to their level and their maturity, that paper they have made into a paper. And whenever we make so many classroom activities, the same we are giving as an assembly program, so that whatever value we are communicating through this activity, it will be spread to the whole school. And kite, there is a poem Kite. What are the materials needed for the kite we are asking? So when children prepare the kite only, they can find out that what are the materials have been used. And rainbow, there is one lesson, and it is a simple lesson, but we are going out of the topic why the rainbow happens, and children will be asked to view by using all the TLM material. They will be using color dress, and they have acted. Then flying men. So what are the TLM I have used in my class? I am using that. If they have material, they will wear and come. Others, they are bringing the pictures. And the tiger and the mosquito, that only we can view only through the pictures. These are the low cost materials I have used. Curly locks and 3 bears. Children will make a jungle. Most of the children will be sitting like a tree, and the curly lock will move around, and the whole story will be narrated by richly by using the TLM materials. And now the grasshopper and even most of the children, they don't know what is grasshopper, what is anthill. So we have made the anthill, and we have shown the how the grasshopper will be. So most of the children can view and understand. That is the main importance of TLM material. And I am the lucky poem. They are every animal is arguing if I am like that, if I am like that. So most of the children are using the animal mask, and others are like God and in how the animals are talking each other. So all the lessons, these are the flashcard activities, TLM material, and one TLM can yes sir.
Bala, be quick fast.
Okay, sir. These are the musical instruments lesson. Most of the instruments they won't have seen that, so they can view through the picture. So this is the thing I have made into. And collage work of these are the on my blackboard I can draw. And now see, these are the thing I have used the magic porridge part and the rain poem by using the song, by using the umbrellas. and the smile for a poem. So what are the benefit of smile? By using the smile mask, we are making that. So why I'm showing is because when we use the TLM, the whole class is involved in the teaching. They have been motivated and they are coming forward to participate in all the activities, and they are learning so many qualities. The discipline is improved. They are getting some value, how to use the TLM materials, and how to take care of the classroom. So many values have been inculcated through this. This is a zoo manners. Children are making the jungle zoo in the class, and they have made that. So they are making the different models, animals, mask, everything. And these are the birds, lesson, sparrow, how it makes the nest. Children are bringing the material and they make the nest in the classroom. And little I'm going past the enormous turnip. This is a lesson. So farmer, all of you know the story. So if I ask all the children are interested in participating, 2-3 farmers can be used. These are the fish story. Children are made the fish model out of waste CD. And these are the flashcard activities, balloon man by bringing the balloon, and story of road. What is the difference between village road and the city road? They are conversation. So trains by using waste material, children have made the thing. And now so whatever we are doing class, they are doing in this classroom assembly program also. This is a watering rhyme. The whole children, all the 15 children are like a flower, and how we can pour the water the plant. And this is the giving tree. So everything in every lesson, see all the children giving tree, children have framed, all the children are making standing like a tree. This is really innovation. A lot of effort had been taken. All the children took part in this activity, giving tree. These are my classroom activities which I'm involving, and book. So whenever we using the TLM, it increases the interest of the student level, and the concept is we can easily reach them. The burden of the studies and teaching also reduced. It is more helpful for the teachers as well as for the students of the college work. Making part. So all the according to the name of the topic, I used to make the material. This is a drop by drop. So all the material I have made into drop. Spices, circles. This is my classroom. Whatever children are bringing the TLM material, I used to decorate my class with the TLM material. So throughout the year, no child will touch it, and they will maintain the class in such a way that, and whoever officers visit my class, they used to appreciate me like that, because we all are students' work. I am decorating my class by using the students' work, and these are all called visual TLM material. Children will view and they will understand the concept very easily. So I request all the participants to use the TLM materials effectively, especially in primary classes. It will be in their mind forever. And at last we can have, these are the birthday babies. Through this also we can data collection, everything they can do that. And these are my achievements, all the 9 awards. Thank you, sir, for giving me, Dinesh sir, for giving me an opportunity to participate in this Inspiration Week, as well as to present my paper. Thank you so much. I am very much thankful to the Global Award people. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Balav. What a wonderful effort.
Thank you, sir.
Let me tell you, when I used to present my resume for my job, I used to write my strength as 3 Ds. 3 Ds. Dedicated, disciplined, determined. So you have already proved this. You have all 3 Ds.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Bala.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Now, I would like everybody to come on stage. The ones who have given presentation. Before that, poll of today. I'll take you back. Okay. First, I'll take you back. Yes. So today's poll. Immediately cast your vote immediately so that we can call the winners on stage. I knew the results. There is a competition between two, but let's see the final outcome. Competition between two. Come on. Oh, now three. Oh. I'm going to call the winners of all 6 days on stage. No. I'll call all the presenters on stage first. There is still competition. Come on, cast a vote. I need a few more votes. Only 60% people of the ones who are present here have given cast a vote. Please, everyone, do fast. Votes for today's presentation. There's competition. Two people at same level, same percentage. One has closed. I need to look at the final score. Another 1 minute, please cast your vote. The ones who have not yet, please. Today's poll. Come and cast your vote. It's democracy. Everybody has to come and cast a vote. Come on. One more vote. Fast. In the meantime, let me do something. Votes, please. Looking for some more votes. Three votes more, please. For me, 3. Okay, we're done with the polls. I have now got my winners. So may I request all of you, those who have given presentation in last 6 days, to raise your hands. I want you to be on screen, all of you. Please raise your hands. I'll take you on screen, all of you. Jasmeet Kaur Rekhi, Ajoji, most welcome. Sunila Salyan. Come on. Jetstoni. Gopala Reddy. Gopala, I will not take you because you are not visible. You don't show your video. Will you show your video today? Let's see. Dr. Jasni. Vicky. Ranjana. And Preeti. Come on. Nandini. Anjali Baba. Neha Seth. Chetan Srivastava. Dilip Goswami. Surekha Bhatt. Please mute yourself. Pramod Mahajan, sir, you are not a participant, you are not a presenter. You have been a speaker. Come on, bye. Lower your hand. I'll have to lower your hand. Otherwise, by mistake, I'll take you on. Okay, Monica Bhatia.
Sir, please allow me, sir. Sir, please, sir.
Who?
My MG Reddy, M Gopal Reddy, sir. I have a camera, sir, with me.
But you never show yourself.
No, sir. It is there now. Camera is on, sir.
I have allowed you, my dear. Everybody is being seen well.
After them.
Veera Johnson, come. Madhuri Purohit, come. Pavani Varika, come. And Monica Bhatia, do come. And who's there? Who else? Liaquat Ali, come. Okay, Mamta Gujair, come. Who else? Renu Vibra, was she there? Renu Vibra, let me check. Who else? But let me see if I have the winners on screen or not. That's very important. I have one winner. I have two second winners. Winners. Some winners I have. Some. Let me check. Jayashree was there. Yes, Jayashree, come. Bhakti, come. Okay. Okay, Aarti, come. Jayashree, come.
My video is not on.
Whose video?
Mamta Gojar.
Online classes.
Gopala, make the video.
Okay, done.
Your video is on, but we cannot see. We tend to see something else which you don't want to show. Come on, control your camera. Okay, let me check who is Bala Reddy. Bala, I'm taking you on screen. Renu Vibra, did you also? Renu ma'am, did you also present? Yeah, show your hand. Renu ma'am, did you also
Yes,
present?
sir. Yes, sir. Good evening. Yes, sir. Yeah, of course. I have been attending for past 6 days.
No, presentation. Did you give presentation?
No, I didn't give the presentation.
So
But
I am asking the ones who will give presentation.
no, I didn't give. I thought you were just asking if you are interested. So.
मैं तो 300 लोग बैठे हैं मैं सबको कैसे बुलाऊंगा मैं?
Okay, fine. It's okay, sir. It's okay.
I'll take you back. Okay. So the ones who have given presentation have not yet been placed on screen.
Sir, please 1 minute, sir. Dinesh, sir, please, sir. I'm adjusting, sir. 2 minutes. 1 minute, sir, please. Sir, please 1 minute, sir. Over, sir.
Okay. So full screen. Okay. Welcome. A big picture now. Mr. Liaquat Ali, Ms. Jasmeet Kaur Rekhi, please make yourself visible. Aarti, looking good. What a traditional outfit. Yeah. अच्छा लग रहा है. Looking good. Jasmeet ma'am, will you please be visible? Hello. Jasmeet Kaur Rekhi, we want you to be there. Visible. Video on. Hello. Jasmeet ma'am, किथे हो तुसी?
Good evening, sir. Good evening. Dinesh, sir, good evening.
Good evening, sir. अभी अपनी म्यूट रखिए आप. Okay. Muthuvel, come, Muthuvel. I declared, but you were not there. Come on. Raise your hand, Muthuvel. Raise your hand like this. I say, I'll take you on. Yes, like this. Okay. And who else? Okay. Muthuvel, are you there? Where is Muthu? Muthuvel.
Okay, sir.
be visible?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. But you are not still visible. I can hear you speak, yes.
Okay, sir.
I say. Muthuel has been a good student, very good student. Very good student, good learner, good, keen observer. Great. Thank you, my dear friend. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So I'll show my screen to you. If somebody has yet not been included, I have announced many times, the ones who have given presentation, please raise your hands. I'll take you on screen. Okay, if some have not yet raised their hands and not been placed on screen, please forgive me. That's not my fault, actually. So how many we see on screen? $25 people, but I guess more than first day 5, second day 5, third day 6, 16, fourth day 6. There must be around 30 people. But anyways, so should we begin? I have the results in front of me.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll share my screen. Oh, sorry. Wait. I think, this festival of sharing should be of minimum 10 days. What do you think?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It should be more than these days. Yeah.
I'll plan it for minimum 10 days next time. This is learning. This is first experience, and we have been successful. Now, I want you all one by one to share your experience of all these days before I show you the result. So I want you to tell your experiences first, beginning from Sunila ma'am. I'll go speaker view now. Others, please keep themselves muted. Mr. Goswami, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Everybody else has to speak, mute themselves, and we'll start with the experience sharing from Sunila Salian.
So good evening to all. It was really a wonderful
proper well-organized speech, because we are going to make a presentation afterwards with the photos, with the videos and everything. So this is your branding as well. Be organized, right?
Yes.
Well-written speech. It may be very short speech.
Very short, yes, sir.
So I want to know your experience about attending Teacher Inspiration Week for 6 days. How it has been for you.
Good evening to all. It has been really a wonderful experience.
Your name, please.
Yes.
I told you it has to be organized. Your name, your school name.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Good evening to all. I am Miss Sunila Salian from Sharjah Indian School, UAE. And I would like to thank and appreciate the effort by AKS for this productive initiative taken for the training and for inspiring teachers by the innovative practices each one has been doing. Especially we here in UAE always wonder how the schools in India would be working. And this was a very good and excellent platform for us to know about so many ideas and so many different practices being done in India. and UAE. Here my diary is right in front of me, and I have always been making notes, taking photos of your all the ideas and everything done here. I thank Dr. Dinesh Kamra for this initiative, and I really wish best wishes to all the presentation who had taken the presentation here. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this wonderful initiative.
Nandini Talari.
Good evening, my dear friends. Good evening, sir. My name is Nandini Talari. I am working for Gitanjali Devshala, Hyderabad, India. Sir, every day was an inspirational day. Giving so many ideas, and it was more of always what we have to do. It was only you have to do, and that's it. As a teacher, I believe we have to keep learning, and I really thank all the panelists who have given so many inputs, which, as ma'am said, even I'm making a note of everything, and that will be there forever. And we will definitely, implement each and every learning, whatever we have learned. And I again thank Dinesh Kamra sir for this initiative in recognizing and identifying all the teachers across the globe, and bringing this huge platform for learning. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Vicky Santopoulou.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Vicky Santopoulou. I'm a preschool teacher in Greece. It was a great experience. It was indeed an inspirational week. And I want to thank all the presenters for all of their teaching experience they shared with us. We share the same values for education, and this is hopeful, as I mentioned in my speech. And we are global teachers. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you.
Thank you. Neha Seth. Neha, you're visible. You're not audible, please.
Hello. Yeah, can you hear me? Hello.
Be a little more louder.
Okay.
Be a little louder.
Yeah, okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Yes.
Namaste. And I'm Neha Sheth from Sharjah Indian School. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank AKS organizers and Dinesh ji for bringing all of us on this platform. And also, I would like to thank all the presenters because we got a lot of inspiration and we learned a lot during this week. And thank you for inspiring and helping us to learn from each other. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Dr. Surekha Bhatt.
Hello, good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Malpe Surekha Bhatt, and I am the Associate Dean of Academic Affairs in American University School of Medicine at Aruba, which is a Caribbean island. I have been looking at all the presentations all these days, and God's grace that we all have been gifted with this strength of, not just seeing or not just comprehending what is on screen, but also comprehending what is off screen, although we are not able to see it. So I must say that this Teacher Inspiration Week is a classic example of leadership, selfless teamwork, selfless dedication, a selfless effort to showcase the hard work of all the teachers. It was so nice to see what all the teachers are doing, how to get the citizens of tomorrow do something today so that they are mature citizens of tomorrow. A very wonderful example of motivating people in the right direction. And when I say people, it's not just the children, it's even the teachers for all the efforts. Like I've been seeing Kamra sir. Now, whoever be the winners, okay, see, he would know who the winners are. Whoever be the winners, but where there is a genuine effort, he has made it a point to recognize them by telling them this is a very good effort. So that is something, you know, that there is a humane touch to this, the entire organization. I think words will just come out of my mouth. I have to stop here, but it was excellent. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. You're so kind. Thank you. Dr. Chetan Srivastava.
Greetings of the day and time for every one of you. I am Dr. Chetan Srivastava from School of Management Studies, University of Hyderabad, India. It was really wonderful. I attended almost an entire accepting cup between, but otherwise it was awesome to go, and I really feel that I missed those hours which I could not be a part of it to go. And I should say, as a teacher, as a continuous learner, and this was a wonderful platform where we learned a lot from most of your experiences, most of your things to go. And especially, I should say, the teachers from these primary schools and schools to go. And I really love them because they are the true teachers who actually shape up the children who are just into learning. It's so difficult. And I teach for a post-graduation, MBA and PhD and all. It's easier, to say that. But the people who are there, for schools and all, it's wonderful. And because they are the formative years and the one they're doing, we could see the models across. I should thank Professor Dinesh Kamraji for such a wonderful platform and excellent learning opportunity and sharing opportunity to go. And I think it's one of its kind in the world. I should say it's an high touch as well as high tech to go in. So a beautiful combination and hybrid model as is invented, high tech and high touch. So I should thank you. It was wonderful listening to all of you. Excellent.
Can I talk to Mrs. Chetan Srivastava so that I can get to know where your stop button is? What a speed, yeah, what a speed. Thank you. Thank you. I'll come to Hyderabad for a coaching, personal coaching from you, my dear. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madam Anjali Baba. Anjali ma'am, will you please?
Good evening, everyone. It was a wonderful experience to be for this week, almost 6 days. We have given a good quality time to learn quality education, I think so. And as everyone is saying, we all are busy making notes, noting down. When Dinesh sir took the session, I learned one line, which I've used it 3 times since last 2 days. And that was, let your online, exact words, what I'm using, like your online thing should not sabotage your actual personality. So make sure that line really touched me, because even I may not be dressed up now, but then, when you come on screen, you should be at least presentable. So and that is what it was, one line, which is where we all lag, sometimes we give up or something. But it was an inspirational week. It's a very small line what I'm speaking, but honestly speaking, a great opportunity to be a part of it, to showcase explore more, learn more, and always a learner. So it was great learning from each other, and congratulations each one of us. And thank you so much, Dinesh sir, to be a part of your AKS award group. We'll be happy to help you anything after this also. Thank you.
We'll make it a custom with the World Educators Team Network. We'll soon start some inspirational stories. Very soon, ma'am. Very soon. We'll make it more practical and more happening very soon. Thank you. I have become a fan of your poise, your personality. You speak very well. You are a good communicator. You are a real ambivert. It comes to speaking, you speak. It comes to observing, you observe very well. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now, Dr. Pavani Bairika. So when she gets started, she gets ready. Before that, let's go for Jayashree. She speaks very well. Oh, what a speed. She is a competition to Chetan Srivastava.
Namaste, sir. Namaste. Good evening, everybody. This is Jayashree. I am a special educator working at Sankalp, the open school in Chennai. Actually, it's been such a humbling experience the last 1 week. So much of learning and giving and taking, the sharing, so much of sharing. Such a wonderful platform. It is not an easy job to gather all the educators across the globe. And I think Dinesh ji deserves a big round of applause. Let us all unmute ourselves and let him hear the applause. Come on, guys, come on. Unmute yourself and give a big round of applause to him. He deserves it. For gathering so many, it's not an easy job to gather 500 educators across the globe and, giving each one what they deserve. It's more that it is not even about what we are going to receive tomorrow. Actually, the award is what we have done this 1 week. So that's what is going to keep us connected. The virtual awards, we'll be taking pictures and we'll be sharing it in our status and all that. But the actual connection has happened this 1 week. And it has become so addictive that it is going to be very difficult for me to let go. So, Dinesh ji, I request you to conduct another workshop where all of us can connect together. And it's an awesome, so energetic, all of you were so energetic. And Dinesh ji was like, wow. I mean, wow is wonderful, outstanding, and whatever, it's like, wow. So,
thank you, Jasri. Thank you, Jasri. Thank you.
It was amazing. So thank you so much to the entire team who has worked so hard in putting up this entire thing together for all of us. It's definitely going to be a memorable one because it's the first one where we have all connected together. So this is definitely going to be a memorable one, and future we are going to get connected. That is just, in Tamil there is a saying, Payanam Thodarattum, which means let the journey continue. So let this journey continue. I wish all the success to all of you here. And let us all connect together and give more to the society. I think it is the need of the hour. So let's all be together. Thank you so much.
Isn't she competition to you? Thank you.
Great sense of humor here. I will appreciate.
Okay. Now, Mamta Gojar.
Sir, namaste, sir. I'm here again, Pavani Bairika. Thanks,
Pavani, please,
I'm
please.
sorry. Maybe it's feeling embarrassed. Every time I can say that for me there is always new grander challenges confront, but I embrace each one. I really appreciate your job. I'm sorry to say that I couldn't make it out myself on the screen, and now I can visible, it seems now, to everyone, my friends. It's a very good experience with you all, and now I'm fan of I want to be a family member of AKS now. With a passion enter into these educational institutions. I'm trying to do now. My friend Jayasri, she's also she shared some of it. Really inspired with you, ma'am, because I entered with the inclusive setup I did in my school. So I put on some of your things and I copied yours. I'm with your permission. I'm really thank you so much for AKS Awards. Thank you so much, sir.
And also those who have not presented, we'll request them also to come on screen and share their experience and their emotions, if any, right? Please be there, all of you. Let me finish this fast. Okay. Because there's, one way of calling them on screen because they have participated in game presentation, is one way. And others also request later on, please. Now, next is...
Shall I, sir?
Mamta, please.
Yes, sir. Yes. I'm Mrs. Nympha Mamta Gojar, supervisor in Sharjah Indian School, United Arab Emirates. I thank the AKS for giving us the wonderful opportunity to present our school. It was a very good learning experience for us. And I believe sharing is learning. So we learned from different presentators, different presentations. And I thank all the presenters for sharing their wonderful ideas, and especially Dr. Dinesh Kamra. Thank you for bringing all of us together. I know it is a difficult task, but you made it. So kudos to you, sir. And I thank the organizers and wish them all the best for the future. Thank you once again. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, Mamta. Great learning from all of you. Thank you. Then comes.
Shall I speak, sir?
Yes, please. Yes. Why not?
Okay. Hello, good evening to all. I am M. Gopal Reddy, working as a training associate, KVS ZIT Mumbai.
Finally, we can see Gopal Reddy. We can
Yes,
see.
sir?
Finally, we can see Gopal Reddy now. We can see
Yes,
now.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay. So it is a very gives me immense pleasure to attend this great event for last 6 days. So really, I'm telling, I enriched myself so many things related to the education for last 6 years from all of you. So when I got the message through WhatsApp group from my friend, so immediately I opened that message and seen what is this. So through that I came to know that AKS Awards Foundation doing a wonderful job across the globe. So they're conducting wonderful workshops and training programs for the teacher community, not only for the teachers. So at the same time, educators, principals, etc. So, sir, really, sir, Dinesh, sir, I don't know how much dedication and support to teacher community for last 6 days. Personally, I have seen in each section, you are very much energized to see each activity which is going on from day 1 to up to today, sir. Really appreciate you, sir, on behalf of all the participants. So really a wonderful job you have done, sir. So really I want to share with all my friends from today onwards that this is a very good platform to sharing our knowledge each other. And at the same time, it is not only that one, we are going to share this kind of information to our fellow friends as well as the students, so that finally our students, stakeholders will be benefited through these kinds of wonderful programs and fruitful programs, sir. So finally, I thank AKS Foundation and his Dinesh, Dr. Dinesh Kamre sir and his team for giving the opportunity to share my ideas from the day 1 to today. So once again, I thank you, sir, once again, and thank you, all of you.
Thank you, Gopala. Thank you. Yes, so benevolent. Preeti, Dr. Preeti Chitkara, please.
I think efforts bear fruit when the intention is progressive, and your intention has been so good, sir. So I believe that in my eyes, I think it has been an amalgamation of wisdom and experience. So the kind of experience and the kind of wisdom you've put in to organize this event, it's been really inspirational, and the title which has been given to this 6 days and 5 days inspirational week is truly, it's been worthy to have this kind of connect and network with everybody out here. My only submission is that I would love to request you and the faculty and teachers and professors from the university level, even more and more participation of theirs is also very important at this stage, because there's a lot to learn from school teachers. I really appreciate, because I've been there and then I've been to this stage now. So right now I am into an engineering institute heading the branding and international relations. But here I believe that during my professional journey, I could
Kendriya Vidyalaya Meenambakkam for the past 25 years. Of course, it is my 9th award. I have received the award in different states from ministers and my Tamil Nadu governor. But this is something sophisticated award. By sitting in my home itself, I'm getting such a most precious global award. And how I got the award, I can say that it is the motivation and encourager I have got from my principals. I can say that whenever I do a single thing, they will encourage how beautifully you are doing.
Bala.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let us discuss about the Inspiration Week, not about award. Only inspiration.
Yes. So I am coming, sir. So because of the leaders, only people, those who have encouraged me only to. Now I am seeing your patience, how this sir is having this much of patience, and you had allotted only 15 minutes time, but if you all exceeded more than 25 minutes, even then you had patience. I was discussing with my family members how much patience he's having. Really, You are the best leader, sir, because why I'm telling my principal, because of their encouragement, now by seeing your encouragement, and today, till yesterday, I was expecting my name will come in the paper presentation list, but it was not there. I was little bit upset. Then I left it because I have been the resource person for so many times for my Kendriya Vidyalaya teachers. But now sir come to my level and 3 o'clock he rang up, are you presenting? Really within a second I couldn't do because I didn't see the list, so I didn't prepare. Within 1 hour I prepared my presentation, what I can do and what can be will be most useful for my fellow teachers. Because all the 5 days I'm observing, almost whatever teachers presented, everything related to my primary education. So now I felt, okay, whatever I'm doing, let me present. Simply presenting is not important. What I have done, let me show that. And moreover, really, sir, you should live long. I never see, even above all my principal, you are the best hero. I never expected how you will be having this much of patience, especially to give the award for us. And moreover, whenever I get the award, I will be getting feedback only from KV teachers. Now I have got lot of information from different education institutions. Really, I am very much thankful. I was worried about this pandemic, Corona. Now, why this Corona? It only get this sophisticated award. God has given this. Yes, sir. Tell me. Yes, sir.
Bala,
tell me, sir.
I'm sitting in the chair for more than 5 hours.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Really, it's a wonderful experience for everybody. Really, really. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you.
Okay.
Ranjana Harlalka. Ranjana, are you ready? Or we should move on to the
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ranjana Harlalka from Guwahati, Assam, from India, and working in Sarla Birla Gyan Jyoti School in Guwahati. And I'm really very it was a wonderful experience, like learning from all the teachers around the globe. And it was really very innovative idea sharing, and it was really very interactive as well. I'll not say only enriching and innovative, but it was interactive session as well. And one thing I would like to